Hi guys, today we have a bike's tail light to fix. Let me turn it on and then we will check what's wrong with this. Now turning on the power, the tail light is right now is in brake light mode. So in brake light mode, there are 4 LEDs in this side and 4 LEDs are this side. It looks like 3 LEDs of these are glowing and 4 LEDs of this side is glowing. So one LED must be faulty. Now it's in brake light mode. Now if I switch it to the normal mode, which is this one, as you can see there is only single LED glowing and these LEDs are not glowing and these 3 are not glowing at all. So we need to fix this. Now why this happened, how this one got faulty? It got faulty because of water. As you can see, here is some cracks. So the water made its way into the light and there are visible corrosions are in here, which I can see, and most probably we have a dead LED inside. So we will check that, but before that we have to remove this transparent casing. For that I'm going to use my hot air station, heat up these plastics, and then we will make our way inside. So let's get started. Now I'm going for 350 degrees centigrade medium air, and first I'll try to make my way from here. So let's heat it up. It's a time taking process, so maybe sometime I'll do fast forward. Few volt. With 2 volt we can check each of LEDs. Now I'm going to check each of the LEDs. This one is gone. This one works. This one is dead. Let's check this one. So this LED is blown off. I'm going to short this LED and let's check if all of the LEDs are working. No, seems like it won't work. So I need to remove it and replace this LED. I'm going to use this LED right in here. So let me show you first. You see there are 4 pins. This one is negative and we have 3 plus. So what I'm going to do is, this is the main plus. So I'm going to connect the minus here and the plus right in here. This LED, this one is the positive. See, small lead inside the glass is positive and the larger lead inside the glass is negative. So I'm going to put it right in here. So we have 3 plus, the plus will be connected here and the minus will be connected in here. I'm going to bend it all the way right side and bend this one all the way side. I'll cut extra legs. Now I'll put some plugs here. I'm going to put some solder one of the pad which is negative. I'm going to put some plugs on the negative side of the LED. Okay, so I am going to solder coat both of the pins. So it works. I'm going to test it inside this. Who would say there is only 1 rupee LED inside? All the LEDs are working fine. Now let's try the brake light. Let me turn off the light. And I can't even tell which one is the LED I replaced. It is actually this one. Yeah, I can see the LED. Sick. Now let's also check the normal standby one. Can you tell which one is replaced? So now I'm going to give it a complete makeover. I'll remove everything, clean them up, and then I'll solder this back. This is the brake light. Turn off the light. This is the brake light. This is the normal light.